Hello everyone, it's Terry, and welcome back to another edition of Another Day. And this is a late day in the greenhouse, and I've been moving more stuff out into the jungle out there. Really excited on the tray of cattleyas down there, that one that has the sheath. Still really excited about this bulbophyllum, Natalie Simpkins, which I've talked to death about, and it is really kind of slowing down, although there are, I'm sure, a few buds left. But today I am getting ready to repot some of my bulbos that are in need of, that are kind of suffering. I can tell because the older bulbs seem to be yellowing a lot more rapidly recently, and the newest growths, they just don't seem to be quite as plump, kind of stagnant. To me, that is. But I realize that my next project has always been to repot my PAPHIOPEDILUMs, which are around and about, but they're mostly around here. So, like I said, I was moving some of the bulbos around, which is, and getting them ready for a repot. And these for a repot, when I looked directly down and saw that. Now, that, my friends, is a flower spike. This plant is Paph stony-eyed times Paph Johanna Burkhardt black hole. I can't recall if it has bloomed before, but it certainly is gonna bloom soon, to my delight. Anyway, this also is giving me more flowers. This is the second blooming for it. And I'm turning the plant on to get a better picture. It's almost open. Very deep purple color. Anyway, it's a bit dark. Still ever so close to my bulbophyllum echinolabium, to giving me the first flower bloom. So there is quite an abundance to stay tuned for, as is that. But we already knew that. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. And as always, enjoy your orchids. Bye.